tells me who watches it.
Wow. Really?
CIA.
Yeah, definitely not.
Miss Perry.
You
It's on YouTube, right?
No, you can't go see it.
Yes, you can. I can.
Oh.
It's a special filter I have.
No, you can't.
It's
No, I'm not lying. I'm telling you the
What if
truth.
I'm not signed into my YouTube account?
It tracks your IP address.
It does track your IP address.
Computer.
But it tracks all IP addresses from phones, tablets, computers, laptops. It tells me even where you are, your location.
It's such a lie.
Totally not lying. I have the GPS location device
You don't.
enabled on my videos.
You
That
don't.
is not even possible.
Liar.
Yes, it is.
Totally is possible.
Josh, better shut up. You really are.
Yeah, it is possible.
No.
With the CIA.
Yeah, it's possible.
It's totally possible
Why
for
do you think
me.
there's something?
How do you know I'm not undercover CIA?
Oh my gosh. Because if you were, you wouldn't. I really would.
Who said? Maybe that's to throw you off a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe me coaching the math team is all a ploy. Maybe I'm trying to infiltrate the scale coordination.
Miss Ella, ain't
Now
that
we have
difficult to get
evidence
some
that you got it
information
on
out of
video.
it. Smack around a bit.
This will self-destruct in 10 seconds.
Oh, no, but you don't have to do it anymore. Yay.
Here we go. Negative 1.9, negative 2.1 are going to be my numbers on the left and on the right. Just because. Okay, here we go. The limit as x approaches. Negative 2 from the left, stop talking. So we've got negative 1.9 plus 1.
Do you have to use the decimal compass? Can't use like -1?
You could, I guess. Yeah, you could. That probably would be easier, wouldn't it, ABC? Probably. Why doesn't Miss Carrie, she's old enough. It's way more fun for me to see y'all go, wow.
You did your number line weird.
Why did you
Josh.
do your number line the way
Shut up,
you do it?
John. John, thank you, Barton Nuggets. John, why'd you let me go through that?
And you had her film that. That is just not.
You know what? CIA agents make mistakes too, y'all.
CIA agents.
CIA agents. Shut your
So I have to
face.
rewrite it? I'm just gonna write right over this. It just doesn't let. Because I don't want to change negative 1.9. I write it here.
But look, all we have to do is do this. What limit is this going to be? If I use negative 1.9, I'm going to be coming from the right. I thought she meant right over there.
Yeah, we're doing the left. She just messed up.
I messed up. It's the right. It's the right side. I messed up my numbers. Just right. R-I-G-H.
What?
Don't. Stop it. Big girl panties.
Don't say that.
It's recorded. 3, 4, 6. I said it. Big girl panties. Big girl panties.
When is it?
Busting out laughing actually.
Yeah, that's what you call it.
I mean, my million viewers need to know, y'all. They need to know that I'm human.
A million.
My million viewers need to know.
All
I think
four.
you meant the road negative infinity. Now I'm willing to subscribe to these.
She meant positive because the negative
I thought
vibe negative.
negative is a positive.
Mm-hmm. She got you there, Josh.
Olive is about to go. Now we're going to the left.
Will be negative 2.1.
Y'all, this is all being videoed, and it's hearing y'all, too.
That's a.
No, it picks you up,
It picks you up.
Mr. Cackle. This one's negative infinity. I think you meant negative infinity. Right, Joshua?
I'm crying.
Because
Okay, look, negative 2.1 minus 3 is negative. Negative 2.1 plus 2 is negative. So negative times negative is a positive. Negative divided positive is a negative. Right?
I got this.
Okay. Now, we got all of our limits done, which takes time. It does take time, I get that.
Wait.
Now, it's not a waste of time. It's kind of cool because it all comes together. Okay? It's not, I
Look at
promise.
that graphic.
Now we got to think about the horizontal asymptote.
It's y equals 0.
You're not paying attention and I'm about to get angry. Up in her, it's about to happen. And the atomic elbow is about to happen too.
You take
Horizontal.
both of those and you said
It's
either
yeah.
of them. It's the
It's, what's the degree of the top?
One.
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 What's the degree on the bottom?
Two.
Two. Bigger on bottom?
Yo.
Go, there we go. Yeah, that's because when I multiply it together, it would be x squared. Okay? Please stop talking and let me finish this. The next piece, x and y intercepts. This is when we're plugging in zeros. What do we do when we find the x-intercept?
You plug in 0 for y.
What was the top?
X plus 1 over x minus 3 times x plus 2.
Thank you.
So you have x equals 0.
So cross multiply 0, right,
Yeah.
is equal to x plus 1, x is equal to negative 1. Right on? Did you get that much right?
Yeah.
You should have gotten the intercepts correct. The y-intercept,
Can you scroll over it? Never mind.
what's that?
When you put 1 is equal to x plus 1, and then subtract 1,
No. X plus 1 times 1 is x plus 1. 0 times anything is 0. Right?
oh, okay.
So, excuse me.
Okay. Crap! That messed up my. Oh, no, it didn't.
There isn't one because it'll be undefined.
It's negative. I got 1 over negative 6. But I'm probably wrong. I'm right?
You're right. So the y-intercept is y equals negative 1/6, right on?
Oh, no.
Okay. What's the next piece?
You need a graph.
Now we got to graph it. Now it is about to be real. What was the vertical axis? Where were they?
Negative 2 and 3.
I'm going to go one beyond. Negative 2, positive 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What were the intercepts? The intercept is negative 1. The y-intercept is negative 1/6. Negative 1/6, so it's going to be about right here. Okay. As the limit as x approaches negative 2 from the left, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2 over here. From the left, where was it approaching? Negative infinity. It's this one right here. Negative infinity. It's approaching negative infinity. Hey, the horizontal asymptote was where?
0.
0. Okay, and we'll have to put that in there too. Here we go. What did I say?
Negative 2 is
Negative.
negative infinity.
Okay, so it's going here, right? The next piece, as it approaches negative 2 from the right, that was going to positive infinity,
Mm-hmm.
so it's going to go this way. Where do you think it's going to go?
Damn.
And check it. Check it with the limit approaching 3 from the left.
What the crap?
Negative infinity. Okay? And now let's see what happens. It cannot cross the asymptote on the far ends. Okay? So it's either going to be at the top or the bottom,
The top.
but it's approaching 3 from the right,
Positive infinity.
going to positive infinity, so it's going to be where, Danica?
At the top. Right.
At the top. So it's gonna look like that. Folks, until last block, an hour and a half ago, this had never come together for me until that moment. And I was like, oh my God, I can totally graph this thing without that ignorant calculator, without that stupid table of values, which is way too labor intensive. If you think this was a lot of stuff, what? Crunching numbers in a table of values? Vomit. This makes sense to me. It's finally come all together. Now,
No more kicking, no more
hold up.
giggles.
Wait a minute. What kind of discontinuity? Infinite discontinuity where?
At
At -2 and +3, correct?
Yeah.
Okay? Here's what I want you to do. What would happen right here? Just watch.
Everything is in horizontal, estimates of one.
What'd you say, Josh? Removable where?
At X minus 3.
At x equals 3. And then what's gonna happen? This is removable.
Yeah.
We gotta write this down.
No. And, you might write that right there. Just this. What happened here? What kind of discontinuity is gonna happen right here? I'm still recording it, just FYI. Infinite, why?
Because it's still a rational function.
There will be a vertical asymptote at x equals how much? -3. So there are functions where this all occurs. Shut the door. Here we go, take a picture of that fast.
Will you take a walk down board next Friday after that?
Write those two functions down. This is also going to be on video.
Use one project, electronics, eyeglasses.
Just those two?
It is on
Not
video.
use that.
It will be on the video, yes. It'll be on the first and the last video.
That's what.
You may email them to do.
And y'all get out of here.
There'll be a late meeting tomorrow, November 12th.